Hey there, and welcome to today's Orthos Liquid Systems video chat. I'm Stuart Humphreys, Director of Filtration Technologies for Orthos. Details given today about a classic two-horse race in Shelbyville, Kentucky. Orthos monolithic filter under drain was fielded directly against Xylem Leopold plastic block for an upgrade to the city's water treatment plant. After a strong recommendation by designers at another top 10 engineering firm, Orthos was offered late entry by HDR engineers who had recently witnessed several failures and repeated problems of plastic block underdrains. Naturally, Orthos was on the bit to deliver a resilient and reliable solution to the utility and provided useful project-specific drawings and specifications within only a few days. At post time, contractors were required to write on the bid form an installed cost for Orthos reinforced concrete monolithic underdrains, as well as for Leopold plastic block underdrains for the 4 filters to be refurbished. We already know the huge long-term value Orthos monolithic has over plastic block and folded sheet metal underdrains. I've talked about that in other Orthos video chats. However, this winner-takes-all stake is not often seen in our industry and proves which underdrain technology is less expensive on race day. At bid opening, there was no photo finish here as Pace Contracting galloped past their competition, as did Orthos in the side action. Notice that all responsive bidders had plastic block at a higher installed cost than Orthos monolithic, with the winner Pace having plastic block at 14% higher. To be clear, Orthos offered a competitive price on bid day and did not give this project away. We simply proved what I've been saying for a long time, that the installed cost for Orthos monolithic is comparable and often less than plastic block or folded sheet metal underdrains. This is added to the fact that at the replacement cycle, say at 25 years, our nozzles are economically replaced as the monolithic underdrain remains part of the civil structure. In contrast, plastic block or folded sheet metal underdrains must be ripped out and reinstalled, costing millions of dollars. Orthos reinforced concrete underdrains will last likely a century and will also win every life cycle cost analysis with a term that includes this replacement cycle, which it should, because utilities will operate treatment plants for many, many decades to come. If Orthos monolithic is first out of the gate and romps down the stretch, shouldn't you too bet on Orthos? I want to thank you for watching today, and please contact me or your local Orthos representative for any of your filtration, contactor, or ion exchange needs. Also be sure to subscribe to the Orthos YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter, or LinkedIn me. I'm Stuart Humphreys. Talk with you again soon.